Hello, my name is Yusuf. I am Egyptian and I already teach you the Egyptian kitchen. Today first video for me and I already make today okra. This is the Egyptian people say this is bamia. The recipe, what we need to do. Okay, first you need to have 4 tomatoes and 1 onion and 4-5 pieces of garlic, and also this is the okra, bamia. This is the okra, and you need to have oil, pepper, salt, 2 Maggi, and also butter. Yeah, this is if you like. If you not, can use only the oil, but with the butter make the taste more nice. Okay, I already now I go and I bake and I cut everything and I make everything ready, and after that we can go cook together. Okay, we cut everything now, like you see here, and also all the tomato. I already do it in a blender. This is juice now. Okay, we need pan. First we start with the oil. Do something like 3 spoon oil, not much. And we wait in the oil go a little bit hot, and after that we do the onion and the garlic together. Okay, now already the oil get hot. We start to go do this here. Inside like that. Please come in the pan here. We start turn it like that till go a little bit goldy. Okay, now everyone can see now. This is start go a little bit goldy. This is with high heat, high fire. After that, we go with the tomatoes inside. Put it here. And you leave it. After finish, we come back. Okay, now this is ready. I cook it very down. And now already we go here, 1 cup empty. One glass. We can do the Maggi in it. And I already cook water. Yes, and after that you do it here. Can do half here. This is more than enough. We can do one spoon like this. Yeah. Can do black pepper in it. After that we go down with bamia, okra. This is a half kilo. And also if you like do ginger, if you like do cinnamon in it, can be. It's about your taste. This is take something like half hour. You come back after half hour. And now we open. Oh, now this looks too good. Now already it's look too nice. You can eat it with also Egyptian rice. I also do one video for the Egyptian rice, how you make it. You can now serve it like that. Now this ready. Now we go serve it. Bon appétit, بالهنا والشفا. Okay, now we done. Please not forget to support me with subscribe and like, and see you next dish. Bye bye.